What's up guys, this is Osh Creative Studio. So today I'll be upgrading my top down setup because the C-stand I'm using has been sagging whenever I mount my FX3 and my 24-70mm. And the biggest issue is in a small room like this, I will normally use another C-stand on the other side for balance or safety, but I don't have that space. Just to give you an idea, the FX3 is about 1.5 pounds. So putting all this on the C-stand arm, the weight is enough to expose any weak point in the top down rig. So today I'll be unboxing the Neewer XT200, and I must tell you, this is an amazing device. I actually checked a lot of reviews online before I ordered it. So let's get it started. Take everything out and see what we have inside. So I can see right here, we have these clamps. So this all the screws right here. 2 clips. We have 2 of these, 1 screw, and I believe this is the camera ball head. We have 1 of these. We have 2 of these. We have this, and we have this. 2 of this. So we have the left side column and the right side column. So one is going to be for the left, another is going to be for the right. So we have left support tube and another left support tube. So we have the L-shaped bracket. For me to always do this type of setup is, I don't like a situation whereby I'm almost set up, then I feel like, oh, this is supposed to be on the left or right. So for us, this is my right here, and this is my left. So a way for you to know your right is, you can see there is no Neewer tags on this side. So this is the right according to the manual. And for this one, this is the one that has the Neewer tags, and this is going to be your left. You have to arrange it like this before you start. Okay, so this is your right and this is your left. So the first thing we're going to do is, we are starting with the left side. You can see this, we are putting it on it. Stick them together. So once you put them together, you use your J screw. These are the only screw we have there, which is 2. So you use one of this small one on the left side. I think I should. So with this is good already. Once we have the left side, we're going to do for the right side the same process. We put this inside this. So once we put these 2 together, you have the screw and put it inside. So right now we have the 2 side level set up already. So let's go to the next step. For this step, we take this level bar, make sure the hole is facing you like this, and then you take this knob and you screw it. All right, you do from this side also the same thing. Okay. Take this off from this. We do the same thing here. Now you put it on the first hole right here, and you screw it. So we do the same thing on this side. This is the camera mount, and this is how it works. Once you press this, this can come out, and this can be attached to the camera or phone, I believe. So we can put it back on the fourth hole, which is the center. You put this from the back, and then you attach this. You screw this inside. Yes. So we are using the first hole here, using the top one here, while this is facing up. Okay, right there. And this is meant to like put inside. Stick this up on the. Alright. So for this M8 knob screw, the function is to help support this by, let's say you want to readjust the height. You press these two buttons. There is a button here on this side, and there's another button on this side. So once you press it, it can help to adjust the height to how much you want. Okay, so you press. It's more easier to do one side first before the second one. I mean, there's no way I can like hold this and push up, so it's more easy for me to do one side at a time or two side. Let's see. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to assume I'm okay on this height for now. All right, one more. Okay, not bad. So what we can do now is to take this screw, I guess, to make it more strong. This is the M8 knob screw. Oh wow, this can be used for your backdrop, monitor, phone, just different thing you want to mount ahead. So I'm going to put this there. To be honest, I don't think there's any rules to this. You can put it whichever place you felt like. I'll be showing more of this usage over time. Same thing goes to this. So right now, since I'm shooting with my Sony, I'm going to use my Canon camera to test the strength. So all we just have to do is like press this knob up here, take this out. I believe we can mount it okay. So you can shoot it on your camera any angle you like, but make sure it's straight. Once it's straight, so once this is straight, you're good. And now the next thing is to pull this inside. With this, I'm sure I'm ready to do my top down shots like with the rest of my, and once I'm done, I can like take this away and pull it out. So this is going to be like a really fast way for me to do my shots. The reason why I bought this, so that once I'm done with my top down shots, I can take it away from the table. So here's what the top down looks from the camera. This is the angle I normally shoot my review, my unboxing. This is clean, stable, and I'm not fighting any stand anymore. So yeah, this is my solution for a studio top down setup without sagging, without bending. So thank you guys. Make sure you click like, subscribe button, and make sure you stay tuned for next amazing video. See you on the next one. Bye.